Okay, recorder. I'm on page 6, number 1. Make sure your left hand is on top. The note is the note B. Thumb, first finger. Sounds like that. Go ahead. If it doesn't sound right, odds are one of the holes is not being covered correctly, or you're blowing too hard. Count the rhythm for number 1. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end. If you need to, rewind it, practice counting it. Play number 1 now. Make sure you got your left hand on top, thumb and first finger. Right hand, all you really need is your thumb on the back. 1, 2, ready, go. That's the end. If you need to, rewind it and practice playing it a couple times.